To connect Honor 600 with your car, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to enter more connections right here, and then we can select Android Auto. When you click on it for the first time, it may open your Google Play Store, so make sure that you have stable internet connection and that your Google account is added to your Honor. After that, when the Google Play Store opens, make sure to update your Android Auto and go back to the same settings page and click on Android Auto again. When we have that ready, you should see a screen like this, and then you can click on the plus button, which allows you to connect your vehicle. There's two options for it. First option is through the cable. If you have cable that allows you to connect both your phone and your car, then you can try to plug in that cable, and if there's option to continue the setup, then you can progress. If you don't see it, maybe your phone does not support, your car does not support Android Auto, and you won't be able to do it. Alternatively, you can try to use the wireless method. Click on this button right here and enter pairing mode on your vehicle, and after that you can go and connect it using Bluetooth per vehicle right here and select it from the list. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.